Start the class section.
Yes, children, very good morning, one and all. Welcome back to maths class. Please stop making noise and start listen to the class. We'll start with the same chapter what we have done in the last class, fun with numbers. We haven't completed that, so we will continue with that lesson, fun with numbers. Okay, so please listen to me carefully, don't make noise. So first of all, before we start this, I would like to know the answer. What does century refers to? Century means, if we say that a cricketer makes century, so how many runs he had made?
100, ma'am.
100. Very
100,
good.
ma'am.
So century is 100. So now today,
100.
yes, very good. So today first we will start with some numbers to see how does it make century. So now here 99.
120,
So
ma'am. Runs
99 what gives you 100?
is equal to 100.
Plus 1 is equal to 100.
Ma'am, you have to write, ma'am.
This already I have given in the last class. Hope you have written it. You did not write?
No, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am, I wrote, ma'am.
yes, I have given it in the last class itself, but
Madam, I write it.
just a very quick glance. I'm just giving you fastly so that we are revising it. That is already we discussed in the last. So 98 plus what? 200, 98, 99, 100. So 98 plus
99, 100, ma'am.
similarly 97. So after 97, 98,
99 plus
so
1 is equal
90
to
gives you
100. 92
right?
exercise. 98
Next,
plus
96 plus what gives you 100? After 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So 96 plus 4 gives you 100, right? Similarly, the remaining numbers also, this already we have done in the previous class. Okay, so let us go to the other part. Now, this is something important. Please listen to me carefully. And those, yeah, Dhoni century. We are talking about Dhoni who made century. Century in the sense just now we discussed century is 100.
Ma'am, we will write
Right?
in the test
No,
book.
don't write down. I will send you all this book. Just listen to me carefully.
Ma'am, we will write in test
Children,
book. Ma'am,
96 only one for left will
ma'am, page number.
is century.
yes, children, you need not write. I will send you all this through your WhatsApp group. You, when I ask you some questions to work out in your notebook, then you use your pencil and notebook right now. Clear? But listening is more important. Please try to understand what I am teaching to you. Is that clear, children? Now, Dhoni's century. Century is what? 100 runs. Just now we have discussed. Then, one day match between India and South Africa in Guwahati. India batting first. So now there is a commentary. Dhoni on 96, only one ball left. Will he complete this century? And look at this. What a marvelous six. In the sense now he has hit a six. Now tell me, on what score was he? On what score was he? What was his score before hitting that six? What was his score before hitting that six?
96.
96. Very good. Now he has hit 6. 96 plus 6, how much?
96, ma'am.
96
And 101.
1.
101. 101.
Add and tell me. 96 plus 102. 102. Very good. So, yes, good. So this is some questions you should work out and give me the answer. He already had the score of 96. Now he has hit 6. So 96 plus 6 gives you 102 runs. So he made 102 runs. Now let us see. Dhoni scored 96 plus dash is equal to dash runs. So it is very clear. He has hit 6. So 96 is equal to 102 runs. Now,
6 ma'am. 6 runs, ma'am.
what is that 6 runs?
6.
Now,
7.
now let us go to the
6
How
runs,
many
madam.
runs?
2, 3 runs.
So here we are taking player.
How many runs do this player need to complete a century?
Century. Century means? Century. 100. So player 1 has scored how
100.
much? Player 1 has scored how much?
100.
Hey, player 1, check the table. How many runs he has scored? Player 1.
93.
Player 2.
93.
Player 2. 97.
97.
Player 3. Player 3, 89.
97.
Player 3, 89. Player 4, 99. Okay, so now you have to tell me how many runs do they need? How many runs do they need to make a century? Okay, so you know that century is 100.
1.
Muhammad
Ma'am,
Hussain,
I don't come max textbook.
you don't need any textbook.
Ma'am, I don't come max textbook, ma'am.
You don't need any maths textbook right now. You should have brought it. But when you don't have right that to disturb the class. I'm showing each and everything on the slide. Children, sit straight, all of you. Sit straight. Every student, Siddharth, sit straight. Niket, Revati, sit straight. What is that you're doing, Revati? Revati, sit straight. Shruti, where is your video? Why is your video not on? Sharon, Lisa, Rasagnya, Brinda, keep your videos on, all of you, and sit straight. No other answers except what I asked. If you have any doubt, please raise your hand. I'll clear your doubt. That's it. Did you understand? Now, I'm going to ask you a simple question. Don't tell me the answers what I have written in the written and shared you. You have to work out and tell me. If you are giving me some answer, you have to show me how did you get that answer. It's not that simply you are telling some numbers. Clear? Yes. Now we have here 4 players, player 1, player 2, player 3, player 4. And we have written the scores scored by the players. Player 1 scored 93 runs, player 2 scored 97 runs, player 3 scored 89 runs, player 4 scored 99 runs. Now what is it you have to do? You have to find out how many more runs do they need to make it century. To make it century means to make it 100, how many more runs they need to score. Okay, so here we are trying to find out the number of runs required to make it century. Can you see the board? Is that visible to all of you? Yes. So now 93 plus what gives you 100? This is what you have to tell me. 93 plus what gives you 100? So count and tell me. 93. After 93?
7, ma'am.
Yes. How did you get that?
I counted.
How did you get that 7? Tell me.
By adding, ma'am.
Yes. What did you add?
7.
You have
93
added
plus 7 equals
Yes.
100.
Yes, Brinda Shetty. These are small numbers. You can count it on your fingers. After 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. So you need 7 so to make it century, isn't it? So 93 plus 7 gives you 100. Yes. Similarly now, 97 plus what gives you 100? 97. After 97? 98, 99, 100. So 97 plus
3.
3. Very good.
3.
97 plus 3 gives you 100. Now 89 plus what gives you 100?
11, ma'am. 11.
Yes. How do you know?
11,
Yes. How
ma'am.
do you know? How do you know?
7.
Counted? So easy way of
Yes.
counting. Let me tell you. Now listen. Listen. If it is 90, if a player, listen now. If a player has scored 90 runs, if a player has scored 90 runs, then how many more runs does he need to get 100? Player 90 runs. How many more he needs?
11.
Listen to me carefully.
11, ma'am.
Rajesh, making a lot of noise this time. What happened? Huh? Yes, now listen. What am I asking? If a player scored 90 runs, 90 runs, then how many more does he need to make it a century? This is counting in tens, which you have already learned before in class 2 itself. Now tell me, if he has scored 90 runs, how many more does he need to make it 100? 90 plus 10. Very good. 10. 90 plus 10. 90 plus 10 gives you 100. Okay. So here you have not 90. You have 89. To make it 89, you want 1. So 10 plus 1, 11. So here player 3 needs 11 more runs to make it a century. That is 100. Okay. So now next, very simple. Already he made 99. How many runs he is short of to make it century? How many runs? Very good. Brinda Shetty has shown it is only 1 run. Lalita Aditya, very good. So Rajesh, good. So 99 plus 1 gives you 100. Yes, Shruti, very good. So 99 plus 1 gives you 100. Okay. So now let us see the problem here. So player 1, 93. He requires 7 more runs to make it 100. Player 2, 97. He needs 3 more runs to make it 100. Player 3, 89. He needs 11 more runs to make it 100. And player 4, 99. He needs only 1 run to make it a century. Okay. So now let us go to the next one. This is numbers and number names. That is numbers, you have to write it in words. You know very well, there is nothing new in this, but it's a revision for you. All of you should write down these numbers in your classwork notebook after the class. 99, 100, 101. So learn the spellings and write correctly. 102, 103, 104, 105. Up to what you have to write like this? 112. Clear? So you have to write all the number names. Okay, next. So next also I have given up to 112. So next slide is, this is a homework for you. Put the above, put it as homework. Okay. Then write the numbers from 195 to 206 and write the numbers in words. Clear? Do all of you know these numbers? Or anyone has any doubt in these numbers or don't know? Please raise your hands. Let me see. If anyone do not know these numbers up to at least 206, please raise your hands right now. Mahikarki, do not know the numbers? Who else? Mahikarki, don't know the numbers? Ishan?
Yes, ma'am. I know the number
Yes.
names.
Mahikarki?
Can I write it in notebook for test book?
Others don't know. Just raise your hand. Raise your hands. I will ask you one by one. Yes, Mahikarki, tell me, what is your doubt?
Yes, madam.
What is your doubt? Mahikarki, tell me what is your doubt?
Yes, madam.
What yes? Do you know the numbers or not up to 206? Up to 200, you don't know the numbers? Tell me what is after 100? 100. After that?
101.
Very good. After
One-
that?
102.
Continue.
103.
Continue.
104.
Yes.
Yes.
So do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Up to 206 you have to write. Yeah? Try writing. Have any doubt? Then you ask me in group. Okay? That's not the new thing you learn.
No, ma'am. It's better.
Huh?
Ma'am, can I write this is notebook or textbook?
Notebook only. All these things should be written in your classwork notebook. As I told you, classworks and homework carries marks. Now listen. Now important question. Once you complete writing up to 206, now listen to me. Fold your hands, all of you. Quick. Fold your hands. Fold your hands. Fold your hands. Kartika. Kartika. Sit straight. Fold your hands. Yes. Now listen. You have, suppose you have completed writing up to 206. Okay. Now the question is, if century is 100 runs, can you tell me what is double century? Double century means how many runs? Double century means how many runs?
200
Very good. It is 200.
ma'am.
Double means
200.
yes.
Century, ma'am.
Yes. So double means 2 into 100
Madam.
twice. So
Madam.
200. Yes.
Madam.
Yes.
Madam.
Who is that?
Book know that.
Huh?
1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11.
Yes. So double the century is 2 into 100. 200. Now
Madam,
can you
book
tell
know
me?
that.
Can you tell me what is
Madam,
century?
book know that.
Triple century. Can you tell me what is triple century?
300.
300. Very good. Yes. Now triple century is 300. Okay. So now the question. Listen to me carefully. You have to do this. Triple century is 300, and the runs scored by one of the cricket players is 206. Can you tell me how many more runs does he need to make it triple century? Do it and tell me. Do it and tell me quickly. Quickly. Do it and tell me. You only have to do in your notebook. Don't wait for me. Player scored Player scored 206 runs. Player scored 206 runs. How many more does he need to make it century? How many more? It's not century, triple century. How many more does he need to make it triple century? Triple century is 300. Triple century is 300. Tell me. Those who got the answer can raise the hand. Those who got the answer can raise the hand. Yes, doing. I can't see anyone doing that. How to do, tell me. How to do, tell me. How to do this problem. How to find out the runs required to make it triple century. Yes, Brinda, tell me what to do.
94, ma'am.
95. How did you get that?
94, ma'am.
94.
ma'am.
How do you know?
94,
What have you done?
94, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Very good. Very good. It is 94. Claps to all those who have done. So nice. Now tell me, show me what you have done to get 94. Show me the work. Show me the work. Show me the work in the through camera. Show it to me. No talking. Show me the work. Yes, Lalita Aditya is showing. Bring it here. Bring it near to camera.
Right.
I can't see it, Lalita Aditya. Hold it properly. No, I can't see. Hold it properly. So yes, show me.
Yes.
Who has done it to me? What did you do? Your pencils are so light, I cannot see at all.
295, 94. Ma'am,
Yes.
I did subtraction.
What did you do, Lalita Aditya? 300 minus 206. Very good, Lalita Aditya. Yes, who else? Saurajesh. But how did you get? You have not shown Saurajesh. You are simply writing answer and showing it to me. Yes, next. Ritika, show it clearly. It's not visible. No, not visible. దగ్గర తీసుకురా. Camera దగ్గర తీసుకురా. Bring it near to camera. No, I can't see. Yes. Who else? Pradyumna. Pradyumna, yes. Okay, good. Fine. Not clear, Ritika. Okay, I'm giving you the answer. I'm giving you the answer how to do this. Whenever you're asked to find the you have to subtract this number from the bigger number. Okay, so 300 minus 206. Find out 300 minus 206. Subtract and tell me the answer. At least now you do it. 300 minus 206. 300 minus 206. Okay, so borrow 10. This becomes 9. And this goes so 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 0, 9. 2 minus 2. So 94 is the right answer. 206 plus 94 gives you 300. So now check the same in your PPT.
206 plus 94 equals to
206 plus 94 is equal to 300. That is the triple century. Is this clear, all of you? Clear? Yes, very good. So all this, whatever I am showing you, all this you have to note down in your classwork notebook after the class. Now, very interesting part we are going to top 10 scores in the.
Can I write this?
Not now, my dear. Don't write this now. I'll send you everything to your WhatsApp group. Okay, now. Next. So now next is top 10 scores in the Cricket World Cup. Now I am going to show you some scores. Player APJ. How many runs he has scored? 128. AS. He has scored 100. CK. He has scored 99. DM. He has scored 162 runs. KSP. He has scored 152 runs. MD. He has scored 178 runs. PK. He has scored 105 runs. ST. 141. TPK. 112. VVS. 127. So these are the scores scored by these players. Okay. Now the question comes. You have to see the table and give me the answers for the questions I ask you. Okay. So So now tell me, who is very near to century? Whose score is very near to century? Just raise your hand. I'll ask you. Don't shout. Yes, Shruti, tell me, whose score is near to century?
99, ma'am.
99 is the score.
Ma'am. MD. MD.
I will ask one by one. Others should not talk. I ask Shruti. Shruti has to answer. Yes, Shruti, tell me, whose score is near to century?
CK 99, ma'am.
Very good. CK, who scored 99, is very near to century. Can you tell me, Shruti, how many more does he need to make it century?
150.
Listen to the question. Listen to the question carefully. CK scored 99 runs. How many more runs does he need to make it century? ఇంకెన్ని రన్స్ కావాలి సెంచరీ చేయాలంటే? Yes, I'll come back to you, Shruti. Meanwhile, you find out the answer. Brinda, can you tell me? Brinda Balshetty? Yes, tell me. Very good, Brinda. It is only one run required to make it century. Shruti, did you understand now? Shruti, did you understand? 99 plus 1. After 99, 100. So only 1. Yes, so one more he needs to make it century. Okay, now the next question is, how many players have scored century? How many players have scored century? Sujna, can you tell me how many players have scored century? Yes, Sujna? How many? Huh? 3 players have scored century. Can you name the 3 players? Name the 3 players. Century means how many runs? Century, 100. So how many players have scored 100 here? Make it fast. How many players?
4.
4. Tell me, what are the names of the 4 players who scored 100? Quickly. Names చెప్పమ్మా, పక్కన ప్లేయర్ నేమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఏపీజే, ఏఎస్, సికే, డిఎం. సో who scored 100? APJ has scored 100. I am asking exactly 100, not more than 100. Exactly century. Exactly 100. How many players have scored? Exactly 100. How many players have scored exactly 100? Maybe the questions you might have got confused. Now listen to the question carefully. How many players scored exactly 100? Only 100 runs. ఎంతమంది? Huh?
AS, ma'am.
Very good. It's only AS. It's only AS who has scored 100. Okay, very good. Now, next question is, almost equal runs. Chala దగ్గరగా ఉన్న runs. Almost equal runs. Who are the players? Who are the 2 players who scored almost equal runs? Almost equal runs. Please see the table carefully. APJ 128. 128 కి దగ్గరగా ఎవరన్నా ఉన్నారా? 29, 30, 27, 126. Almost equal runs.
127, ma'am.
Very good. 127. So who are the two players? Who are the two players? APJ and
VVS.
VVS. Very good. Yes, Pradyumna, you are raising your hand. Can you tell me any other pair who has scored almost equal runs? Any other pair? APJ and VVS. One girl has given answer. AS.
CK.
Very good. AS and CK are also almost equal. They are differed with only one run, right? Okay, good. So next question, children. Listen to me carefully now. The next question is, who scored one less to century? Who scored one run less to the century? One run less than the century. Yes, Saurajesh, tell me, who scored one run less than the century?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
It is CK.
It is CK. Very good. CK has scored 99 runs and that is one less than century. Okay, fine. Next question. Let us go to the next one. Yes. Now, tell me who has scored the most runs. Most runs means more, maximum runs. So tell me who has scored the most runs. Most.
MD, ma'am.
Tell me the player who scored the most runs. Yes, raise your hand. I'll ask.
MD.
The same students are raising. Abbas, are you ready? Can you answer? Yes, Abbas, tell me. Who scored? Huh? Not clear. Once again, please. Your voice not clear, my dear. Say it properly. MD. Okay, good. It's MD. What is the score?
M.
What is the score? 100. Very good. 178. So when I ask you the most score, it means you have to find out the greatest number among all these. Okay. And you can see that 178 is the greatest number. So MD has scored the most. Now children, tell me who has scored the least. Who had scored the least? Trishal Yadav, can you tell me? Least means minimum, the smallest number, chala takkuva runs, less number of runs. Who has scored the least? Who? Yes, Trishal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you tell me which player has scored the least number of runs? Yes, Kartika? Kartika, tell me.
CK.
CK, very good. 99 is the least number here and CK has scored the least number of runs. Okay, next. Now, first, before proceeding from the table, tell me, what do you mean by 1.5 a century? 1.5 a century. What? How many runs will you get if I say that it is 1.5 a century? 1 century means how many runs?
100.
100. 1 century means 100. Okay, I'll give chance to everyone. Don't shout and just answer to the question. Okay, only once you should answer. You should not repeat your answers. P. Ishan, what is that you're doing? Can't you place your mobile properly? Yes, leave it. You're playing with it. Now listen. Century is 100. Century is 100. What is half century? What is half century? What is half of 100?
50, ma'am.
Very good. It is 50. But do others accept it? Do all of you know? Do all others know 50 means half of the century, right? Right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So 1.5 century means how much? Full century plus half
Century
century.
means 50.
1 century
50,
is
ma'am.
100.
50, ma'am.
One, listen.
50.
Have a
50, ma'am. 150, ma'am.
Yes,
150.
very good. It is 150. So I'll give you the clear explanation of it. Listen to me. 100 is a century. 50 is half a century. So 1.5 century means 100 plus 50, which gives you 150. 150. Now listen to the question, see the table and answer. Okay. Now see this. Who is 2 more than 150 century? Which player has scored 2 more than 1.5 century? Just now we discussed 1.5 century means 150. 2 more means 2 you have to add. So can you tell me who scored 2 more than 1.5 century? Just see the table and tell me. Raise your hand, I'll ask you. See the table, find out who has scored 2 more than 1.5 century. 2 more than 1.5 century. You might have seen the table right by now. So tell me. Yes, Pradyumna. Viksha has raised a hand. Tell me, Viksha, who scored 2 more than 150, 1.5 century? Yes, Viksha.
Ma'am,
Answer.
can you
Huh?
repeat? Can you repeat, ma'am?
Who scored 2 runs more than 1.5 century? Yes.
Ma'am, KSP.
Very good, Viksha. It is KSP. Let me see, Abbas. What do you say? Well, how many runs it becomes? Abbas, you raise your hand. Yes, tell me.
KSP, ma'am.
KSP. So what is the total run? 2 more than 2 more than 1.5 century. Means how many?
152. 152, ma'am.
152. Who is helping you? Okay. Who else? Pradyumna, what do you say? Is that right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what is the score? 100 and
152, ma'am.
152. What do you say, Ritika? You also raised your hand. What should be the score? Not here. Swapna, you raised your hand. What should be the score? 152. Very good, children. So it shows that you people understood well. 1.5 century means 1 century 100 plus half century is 50. 150. 2 more. More is always for addition. So 150 plus 2 gives you 152. And it very clearly shows that in the table KSP scored 152 runs. So answer is 152. So very quickly we'll go through this. Next slide, just a minute. CK just missed his century. How many runs did he need to make a century? 1 run. Just now you told that we have discussed. So answer is 1. Dash and Dash scored almost equal runs. It can be AS and CK or it can be APJ and VVS. That it's up to you. Next, Dash scored a complete century. That is 100. No less, no more. So who has scored that? AS. Most runs scored by any batsman are. Most means just now I have explained you maximum runs. More number of runs. Among the given numbers, the greatest number that is 178 and that is scored by MD. Dash and Dash have a difference of just 1 run between them. That is again AS and CK or it can be APJ and VVS. Next is Dash scored 2 more than 1.5 century. So 2 more means plus, 2 plus 1 century means 100, half century is 50. So 2 plus 100 plus 50 gives you 152, and this code is scored by KSP. Hope children, all of you understood this. Any doubts in this? Children, any doubt? Children, any doubt in this up to here? No. So all these you have
No,
to,
ma'am.
very good. All these you have to write down in your class work
Ma'am, I
notebook.
have
Now,
Ma'am, can you send the homework? No doubts, ma'am.
yes, I'm telling you, see, the slides which I have shown you and explained you all are classwork. Now I'm telling you homework. Homework also I'm sharing you through slides. What you have to do is you have to write skipping. Do you know skipping the numbers? You have learnt in class 2, isn't it? Skip the count by twos. Skip the count by fives. Skip the count by tens. Skip the count by 50s. You have learned up to tens in class 2. So that I will share it with you. The same you have to do it in your classwork notebook as in your notebook as homework. Skip counting. Just skip counting by twos. Try to understand. Again, this we will explain. I will explain this to you in the next class as the time is up. Okay, children. So this is homework given to you. Please check it up. If you can, you take down and do it in your notebook. If you do not understand, we will have the discussion once again. Clear, children? Now, any doubts, please raise your hands. Anyone? Yes, Lalita Aditya, what is your doubt? What is your doubt?
Ma'am, we will write top 10th century
10th century.
calls in
You write down,
is
you write whatever the
top
slides
10
explain.
top 10 score in the cricket World Cup. This is we write in the textbook, ma'am.
No, everything you have to write down in your notebook, but only questions. See, when I'm sharing you, you can see the questions. The same way you have to. For example, I show you. So first, this page, all of you have to write. Okay. Next, this page, all this matter you need not write. Just write this, fill in the blanks and write this matter. Clear? Next is this you have to write 99 to 112. Okay. Clear? Next, this is homework 195 to 206. Next, triple century, write down. And this table you need not draw in your notebook, but write these, fill in the blanks in your notebook. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Who else? Who else has doubt can raise the hand. Shruti, yes, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, can I write notebook or textbook?
In notebook. I told you classworks and homeworks carries marks. You have to write down in your notebook. Next, Viksha. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, can you tell the page numbers?
Page numbers. I'll share it in your WhatsApp group. Right now I don't have. I'll see and tell you. Okay, I'll share that. I'll remember that. Yes. Who is next? Okay. So nobody else has doubt. Hope the class was very clear. And if any doubt, you can send it through WhatsApp group anytime. I'll answer it to you. Okay, children. Till the next class. Bye.